Deluxe box came for some reason, and I have no idea. It took longer for this one to get here than the others. You guys have seen the Supreme, and you've seen the Premium, and I think people are just starting to post videos on the Deluxe, and mine just literally came, and it is taped like crazy, and I cannot wait to get into this. Oh, I'm super, super excited. If you guys did not see my video on the Premium, I did get the mini jawbreaker and I already have it, and I am doing a giveaway on that, so I will leave that link for you somewhere up here, and you can watch that one after this one. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. This tape thing, like, is this a joke? Come on now. Ah, I need a box cutter. There we go. Now do the other side. This is so exciting. I don't think I've ever been so excited for a mystery box before. Like, he's blowing everybody away. And I have no idea what's in this one because I refused to watch anybody's until I got mine. Look, look. Oh, I think I see a t-shirt. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is a t-shirt. Ah! I got a medium. I hope it fits. Can't relate. Ah, I'm loving it. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Okay. Woohoo! I've wanted a t-shirt for a very long time. Oh my goodness. The Jawbreaker palette again. And I will be giving it away. Absolutely. Let's make sure nothing is wrong with it, that it arrived okay. I'm sure it did because everything looks like it's packed great. Yep. It's perfect. So, guess what, guys? Be subscribed, like this video, share it out, leave a comment, enter me, and we've got 2 of these going on now. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm dropping things. Okay. Woo! Oh my goodness. All right, the gloss. I did not get any of his glosses. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my. The packaging. Did they do this? It's in candy drip. Did they do this on purpose so we sit here looking like idiots and then they watch our videos going, ha ha, they can't get it open? Look how cute that packaging is. Oh my goodness. I have to try it. I have to try it. He's been adding scents to his stuff. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still a little sick. That is amazing, and it's not sticky, and I do not like sticky lip gloss. I don't. Okay. So, I'm keeping that. Yes. Okay. I got... Ooh! Okay. I got a liquid velour lip in poinsettia and a bullet in candy freeze. I did not get these in my Premium, and I was afraid I was going to get duplicates, and the Jawbreaker is, but that's good. Oh my God, look at that. Okay. Hello. Oh my goodness. Can I put this over this? Let's see. Wow. Okay, I love it. I do. I absolutely love it. There's some really, I got really wearable colors, and I still keep dropping stuff. That's okay. Okay. So, the bullet lipstick. Here it is. Get rid of that stuff. Ooh, wee! That is bright. I bet you I will love it. But I don't know if I want to open it because maybe I want to give it to one of you guys that does not have a Jeffree Star product. Okay. Now I've got a liquid frost in Frostbite. I have his liquid in Frozen Peach, and it's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I like that they're sealed like this, but wow. Okay. Karen is so excited. Karen is so excited. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Okay, open. Okay, nothing's coming out. Hello, we need liquid. Okay, that was way too much. Woo. Ah, look at it. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Oh, I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. What if I just put like a tiny little bit right here? Oh, hello. Hi, how are you? Okay, I'm loving that. It is so wet though. I've got to take a makeup wipe and wipe this off. Oh, now I'm filled with sparkles. But I'm loving it. I don't care. Okay, so now we have a Skin Frost. Mystery Frost? There's a Mystery Frost? Okay, I'm confused. What is that? We're going to swatch it. Is this supposed to be like that? Like, what do we do with this? I will swatch it up here. It's pretty. But it's like a black and gold. That is so different. And look how big that is. Whew. Oh my goodness. It doesn't really have a scent. Wow. I bet you I could use that for Halloween though. For sure. And then I'm guessing I got a mirror. And I think it's probably the orange one. Oh my god. I gotta get this open. Okay. Oh, hello. I'm ripping the box. I don't want to rip the box. I have a Jawbreaker mirror. Oh, it's right here. And then I got my daughter the chartreuse one. Oh, yes. Yes. Hello. How are ya? All right. Yeah, I could not do that with a straight face. I am loving this box. This is amazing. Amazing. I'm so excited. I don't even know what to tell you. I got the t-shirt, the mirror, the Skin Frost, the Bullet lipstick, the Velour liquid lip, the Skin Frost, and the Mini Breaker palette, which I will totally be giving to one of you guys. And it's a possibility I might be giving this one away too. So, that's it. That's it. That's what was in the box. Should I try on the shirt? Should I try on the shirt? Let's try on the shirt. Let's make sure it fits. Should I go as Jeffree Star for Halloween? Okay, I'm loving it. I'm going to end this video because I can't wait to upload it. If you want to enter the giveaway, be subscribed. I do check. And then like this video, share it out if you can. If you can't share it out, I won't hold it against you. And comment below, enter me, and you'll be answered. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for being so supportive, for being so awesome, for always being here for me. I really do enjoy doing YouTube and getting to know all of you. So leave me a comment. If you're new, say hello. Tell me something about yourself. I do love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.